Hello my friends, welcome back to DELUXE. We're gonna paint today. Today is gonna rain. I have to do this as fast as possible. I have 2 units right here. We're gonna work this 18 Pacifica, Chrysler and Grand Cherokee. Guys, welcome back to DELUXE. We're gonna paint 2 bumpers today, Pacifica and Jeep Grand Cherokee. It's gonna rain, so I have to do this like in 2 hours. Let's hit it. Don't forget to put the thumbs up and subscribe. Thank you. Hey guys, I'm using 3M masking tape right here. 1.5 inch, yellow. Guys, masking paper right there. 3M, 1/4 inch, yellow tape. Guys, 3M plastic, masking plastic right here. Guys, we're done masking 2 bumpers already. Now we're gonna sand them down with this DA with a 220 sandpaper right here, sticky one. Guys, we're done sanding it down. There's no big gouges, so I don't need to bundle the bumpers. I'm just gonna clean them, wax and grease them, and get ready to shoot that paint. Let's go. We're using this high-tech black gloves right here, guys. It's heavy duty, so all the chemicals, when you wash it, you paint and you clear coat, so they don't go into your skin. It's bad. And always wear a mask if you gonna do something like this. Mask, cover your nose, mouth, so you don't inhale this bad chemicals. So let's get started, guys. Let's clean them up and get ready for paint. Guys, like I told you previous video, this is a gun cleaner right here. I'm using this to get the grease out and every bad elements before you paint, so you don't have nothing, fish eyes and everything like that. So if you need something, definitely how it calls or where do I buy it, leave a comment below, and I'll definitely answer you and tell you where I buy it. And if you need something else, I can tell you some kind of hints, and that's it. Like and subscribe. Let's go. So my friends, this is the primer that I use, 2-in-1 primer, red, it's Trendstar 4623, right there. I'm using a red, darker color to match a little bit because I don't have a black. I have gray, but if I have black bumpers, I rather use darker colors if you don't have black primer. So that's a good hint. You save a lot of paint after you paint the bumpers, because gray is on black, it's no good. You have to choose darker. Let's go. Guys, we're gonna prime right now. Bumpers. So primer, shake very good. Very good. Should be maybe 3-4 minutes you have to shake it. So let's go. I think it's done. Let's go prime it. So guys, I primed it already, light, because it doesn't have to be heavy, because it's not deep scratches, so light enough. And let's get ready for a paint job. Let's go. My friends, took a little break, a little bit, for 3-4 minutes to primer get to dry. And before you paint the bumper, after you put the primer, don't forget to use this pad. It's a 400 pad. It's like, looks like, you know, like your member's family who washes the dishes. It looks some kind of like a sponge. Look it closer. It looks like a sponge. So before you paint, you have to use this. If you don't use this, your paint is gonna fall off. Maybe in a month or two, it's just gonna peel off, and that's it. You're gonna lose all your paint, and it's gonna be bad. You're just gonna waste of your time and money. So don't forget to use this. Before we paint, we're gonna use a hose, blow everything out. Dust, water, everything out. So guys, we're done with blowing everything out. So let's mix paint and shoot those bumpers before it rains. We're getting ready to paint. Guys, I just want to show you something. So we got this black color right here. Those two colors are the same. This is a cup. We'll put this is a paint reducer. See, that's what you use. Medium temperature. So it's probably should be like 50s, 60s, nothing more. And so I use it for now because it's like 50s right now. So you use medium, and you get that, and you mix it up right there. Mix it up. See, that's how it has to drop, guys. That's excellent paint mixing. Reduced excellent. It's not dripping as fast. It's not slowly dripping. It just goes like that. That's it. We'll get this Sherry Williams paint filter right there. And we are dumping there. Right there. And let's see how it goes. Bear with me, guys. Before we guys start painting, we're gonna use wax and grease remover. That's for all your old oily stuff. So we're using this wax and grease remover. We're gonna clean it up, whole two bumpers, and we're gonna start painting. So let's hit it. Before you paint, we already cleaned with wax. Before you paint, we have to use, this is called tag rag. It's very tacky, very tacky. It removes all of your dust on the bumpers, on fenders, and anything you paint. Dust and all the elements that you don't need before you paint. So this is how it looks. Very sticky. Alright my friends, let's get ready to paint. Everything is done. So let's go. Done, guys. Paint is done. Let's wait maybe 10, 15 minutes. Let it dry it out, and we're gonna shoot that clear coat with you. Anything you need to ask me, leave a comment please, and I'll be glad to answer you. Thank you so much. Thumbs that up and subscribe for the DELUXE channel. Thank you guys, and stay here with me, and we'll be almost done right now. Alright guys, let's clear coat bumpers. We got our clear here, mixed it up. In previous video I showed you how to mix clear, so if you wanna watch that video, I explained everything. So let's hit it before the rain comes. Okie dokie my friends, let's take a closer look how it came out. Beautiful. This thing was scratched up, so I did a blend here. See, you can't even see it. I didn't paint the whole thing, blended here. Very nice. Like a mirror. Wow. You like it, guys? Leave a comment. Nice and shiny. Black color is the worst color. It's hard color, very hard. Actually, on a finish clear coat. All right, my friends, we're gonna get the tape off, masking paper, plastic, and let's see how it goes. That's it, my friends. You saw me. Everything is perfect. Very nice. Came out excellent. Excellento, guys. Excellento. Oh. So don't forget to like and subscribe for the DELUXE channel. Thank you guys for watching. And listen, if any questions, comment. Always comment. And I'll see you next time. We're gonna have great clips for you guys to watch with DELUXE and everybody. Thank you. God bless you guys.